Hi everyone! So this video is a little bit different as I am not talking to you directly. I am doing a voiceover because I just found out that I forgot to turn off my microphone on in the beginning of the video. So this video we are creating this smoky eye with a rainbow transition color. Super easy, nothing complicated at all. So I used a NYX Ultimate Bright eyeshadow palette because it basically has all rainbow colors. And as you see, I start with the red and I start in the inner eye corner higher than my crease would be. As you see, I have my eyes open and later I'm gonna open it even more, and basically I'm just adding a tiny bit on and then going to the orange. Once again, higher than my creases. I have my eyes open to see where my crease goes, and I'm blending colors together straight away so there's no harsh lines or harsh colors because I want colors to blend. And I'm jumping in with a bright orange and yellow and repeating exactly the same. Once again, higher than my creases because I want to do as a transition color because we're gonna add the smoky eye later, you know. So I'm just blending the colors in one, then adding a green once again. As you see, I have my eyes open so I see exactly where my crease is, and then I'm dragging a color slightly bit down to my mobile lid because later we're gonna apply the smoky eye, the darker one, so you're not gonna see it, so it's all fine. And then I'm adding the pink and like the purple in the outer corners, once again in the same way as I did in the beginning, so all the rainbow colors. And then I'm just gonna blend all the colors with a clean brush because I don't want any harsh lines. I want those colors to be blended nicely. Then I'm jumping to the Urban Decay shadow box and taking the color called Blackout, which is black, yes, black, and just taking some on my finger and pressing onto my mobile lid very close to my lash line, and then just kind of blending with my finger before taking the clean brush. So I'm adding more and more color on my mobile lid, as you see. And then with a clean brush, I'm just blending all that color out. Honestly, the easiest makeup look ever. It might look difficult, but it's not. Because you just pack a color and let it blend with a clean brush. And that's it. As you can see, I'm not going very clean and tidy on the outer corners because I still don't have any foundation on. So when I'm gonna apply foundation, I'm gonna tidy that up. And next up is I'm just gonna apply some false lashes. I'm using Huda Beauty Noel #14, my favorite ones. And the lashes are on. Lashes make such a difference, isn't it? Like straight away it looks so different. So I think we can do lower lash line and then apply foundation and all. So for the lower lash line, I really want to go with this orangey yellow. With a yellow to begin with in the inner eye corner, then orangey yellow, and then we're gonna darken up the outer corner. So because we're gonna go and apply the foundation, I'm not gonna go like super precise yet with the shadow. As applying foundation, we're gonna tidy up this area, obviously. And then a purple on the outer corner. So now it looks a little bit messy, but it's alright because we're gonna apply foundation now. So I'm gonna start with priming my face with Angel Veil by NYX. I usually tend to prime the places where my pores are the most pronounced, like around my nose. Alright, so the last thing to do is apply lipstick and the mascara. So for the mascara, I'm gonna use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I already applied some on my top lashes. I forgot to mention that when I applied the falsies. Alright, so we are nearly done. I think for lips, I'm just gonna go nude kind of ones, because you can go all with super bright pink lipstick or so, or the nude. So I think I'm gonna go with a nude. So I'm gonna go with the NYX matte lipstick in Honeymoon. And I want to add a little bit of a gloss on the lips, but I don't want it to be like super sticky or anything. So I'm going to add NYX This Is Everything lip oil on the top. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? So what do you guys think of this makeup look? As you've seen, it's super easy to recreate. Doesn't require much skills or technique or anything, because literally you pack the color on and then you smudge the black on the top. Super easy, doesn't take much time. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel, and I'll go to share more videos, you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao! Have a good day.